Hello. In this video, we're going to see a problem from graph. Let us first read the problem. Which of the following in the graph of a function f such that f of x equals 0 for exactly two values of x between -5 and 5? Let's see how we can solve this problem. What they have given is, of the four graphs which they have given, find the graph such that for the function f of x equals 0 exactly for two values between -5 and 5. First, we need to understand what is meant by f of x equals 0. Once we know the answer for this, it is so easy to solve this problem. When f of x equals 0 means the y value in the graph should be equal to 0. It doesn't matter what the value of x is, y should be 0. So what does it mean in a graph for y should be equal to 0? So this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So if you take any point in the plane, this will have an x value and this will have a y value. So if I want y value to be 0, so the y value, it's 0 starts here. So 1, 2, 3, that's how the y value increases. So y value will be 0 for any point on the x-axis. If I pick a point here, 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 all these will have y as 0. So basically, if I find a point on the x-axis, or what we call as x-intercept, it intercepts the x-axis. So if a graph or if a function intercepts the x-axis, at those points y will be 0. In the question, they've asked, find exactly two values where f of x equals 0. So find the graph which will cut the x-axis exactly twice. Let's look at choice A. This one, the function f doesn't touch the x-axis at all. So y is not equal to 0 in this case. So that's not the answer. In this one, y equals 0 when x is -5. But it cuts the x-axis only one time. But they've asked for two values. So definitely this is also not the right answer. Look at graph 3 here. It cuts the x-axis at this point and this point. So for two values of x, y will be 0. So this is one of the options where that could be the right answer. If you look in this one, it cuts the y-axis once and then cuts the x-axis once. So there's only one here. So this also cannot be the answer. So choice C is the correct answer, where it cuts the x-axis twice, for which the f of x value is 0. So C is the correct answer, and that's how we solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.